Okay, here we go. We came back to visit a pondless waterfall I did a few years back. This thing looks better than before. The trees are growing crazy. This looks really good. There's a nice waterfall coming down. It's pretty tall. It's like 8, 9 feet tall. And this little addition was added later. But here it is. It's got some really choice rock in here. I mean, look at this waltz rock. Amazing. Erosion. Look at that. That's amazing. Very cool. Got some nice water flow coming down. Looks very natural. Going down hard there into a pondless pit. Assorted size gravels. Big rocks. This thing's big. Look at the size of this thing. Wow. Woo. No machine. Some muscles. Wow. Yeah, this looks cool. I'm happy with this. And I'm a hard guy to please. The neurotic artist I am only accepts perfection. Pond Paradise Designs, Long Island's premier water feature specialist.